Hi, it's me, Zafo Beeblebrox, and I'm the British Tech Guru. I'm going to be testing this circuit. I know roughly what it should be producing. I have my voltmeter here set on resistance. So what we're going to do, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires here. I have black and red. I have green, yellow and white. Green, yellow and white go to each of these. Red goes to the voltage reference, and black goes to the ground. So if I connect the red to the black, then the power is just going to go straight through that resistor. I thought that was a 20k resistor, but it's actually 10k, but that's fine. There we go, see 9.99, that's 10k, which is absolutely perfect. Now if I connect to the green, I get 11k. So let's forget about using that resistor for the moment. No, actually, it's good. So that's 11k. That is near enough 11k, 10.8. And that one is 10.79. That's going through green, yellow, and white. So going through the resistor and each of those photoresistors. So we'll go over to the red and just get the resistance readings from the 3 photocells. So that one is just about 1k. That one is just about 8k. Sorry, 0.8k rather. That one's about 0.8k too. So white is 0.78, yellow is 0.79, and green is 0.99. So the green one is not giving me quite as much light, but hey, that can be adjusted in software. So clearly there is absolutely no problem whatsoever with this circuit. The problem therefore has to be with the Raspberry Pi itself. And I hear people online saying, oh no, there's no problem with the Pi. There's no problem with the Pi ADCs. I'm sorry, but that just sounds like nonsense to me, because this is not my experience and this is not producing any errors. So since there is no error in this, no error in the wiring, the error has to be the Pi itself. I heard the ADC was poor, but a lot of the online gurus say, no, it works just fine. But this is not my experience. Now I'm doing this genuinely, and I'm doing it myself, and I don't care how many online people tell me something works. If my experience is different, then I will give my experience, because it is my experience, and others probably get the same thing. Now I'm going to wait until probably the weekend, because the weekend my motherboard for my Arduino Nano Every should be here, and what I shall do with that is I shall connect that to this, and then let me turn my voltmeter off. And by the way, I can thoroughly recommend this. This is a Gardner Bender voltmeter, and I got this in Tractor Supply. Can't remember how much I paid for it. $20 maybe? I don't know. But the beauty of this one is it takes a standard 9-volt battery. None of these funky batteries. So I'm going to test this on the Arduino Nano Every, and I'll publish the results. I have a feeling it's going to work better. So anyway, this has been a Zafo Beeblebrox production, aka the British Tech Guru, and I'll see you in the next video.